Welcome back to another SHP case study. We have an education industry case study that we're going to overview today from a client that we've had for quite a few years. The interesting thing about this one is that they come back to us every 6 months to do approximately 10,000 dials. And what they'll do is we'll run a 6-week campaign, and then they will run these leads to close for another 5 months before they come back to us and re-engage. So we've done this several times now. And what's so interesting about this isn't necessarily the high appointment setting rate, because it's rather average, but it is consistent over time. So the fact that we have had a consistent range of appointment setting just goes to show the viability of the product and how well this particular industry receives the message that we send. So this is a software product. It's a platform, and they offer it to school districts. We use the consultative conversation format in this one, and Overview had a 0.69 overall appointment setting rate and over a 2% lead setting rate, including all types of leads. So this company, they offer a platform that integrates multiple publisher platforms into one location. See, a lot of times with the education industry, they're working with different publishers from all over the place. So they have to figure out a way to make it easy for uh, their their parents and their students to buy books. And so by having it in one location, it makes it a seamless process and actually get more done in less time. So the idea is to call these school districts and share with them the value through delivering the script and going through the main points, and then asking the decision maker to set up a Zoom meeting to share with them how the software works. So we made this through the consultative format that we'll go through in a second, to then set up a Zoom meeting and have these demos to then potentially close the deal. The target specifically were school districts with grades K through 1. So they were typically the lower level in the school districts. So that was the specific market that we're reaching out to for our campaigns. So let's go through the script quick just to get a sense of what this feels like, because I think this will show how it is successful when having these conversations. Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm with Blank Software Company. We simplify the process of administering and integrating different publishers' textbooks into your student information system. Do you currently use multiple platforms for multiple publishers for your ebook solutions? Or what are you currently doing for digital content? So I think this is interesting here. This quick prop right into the hone in. It's kind of two questions in one. We're not asking just one question. We are kind of giving different answers around this, different questions around the same topic. Do you currently use multiple platforms, and what are you currently doing for digital content? So it gives them a way to choose their own adventure. And regardless of what they say, we're happy with what they're going to answer because we have responses available for both. So the answer would be, hey, great. It's good to see you already are incorporating technology for your students. That's exactly why we're reaching out, because we'd like to work with those folks who already see the value. And if they're not, then that's fine too. Nope, that's exactly why we're reaching out as well, because if you haven't done this before, then it might be something you want to learn. The calling prop was very simple. And that's what I do like about this, is the more that you can be succinct with your value, the better. If you're going off on a harangue, you can lose the interest and attention of the person that you're speaking with. So we offer a comprehensive integration service to schools like yours to use practically any publisher's platform and synchronize your system with your student information system. The reason I'm calling is to see if you'd be open to a Zoom meeting with our lead consultant to see if this is something that would work for you. Does that work? And so once we do that, we would also have qualifying questions. Now, this buttons up and gives us a little bit of housekeeping to do at the end, but also ensures the quality of the appointment and creates a little bit of allure with the prospect, because we're speaking with them about some key parts of their business that might make an impact later on, and they might want to know why and how. In terms of the results, what I like about this one again is that it was consistent. Now, it was below our average overall with appointment setting rate, but I'm okay with that because of the consistency. If you look at the chart, it started higher on a 1%, dropped down, but then went back up to a zero point 0.9 and went down again, went back up to a zero point 0.9. And this is just showing that there is a level of interest uh, throughout the board. Whatever month we worked in, whether it was in 2020 or 2019, in the fall or in the spring, there was some level of interest and openness to hearing about this. And I think this has to do with the fact that this product was a unique solution. I don't think a lot of these school districts have something in place that allows all these publishers platforms to be in one location. And I think this is a value to these school districts. And I see that the more that we try to do this, the better we're going to have success, because we'll be able to listen to the wants and needs of the school districts to then change the message and change the way we deliver to make it resonate with them better. So there you have it, the education industry script and case study with a current client of ours that we run a project for every 6 months.